Hi dancers, and welcome to today's class where I will be teaching you the Namashkar. The Namashkar is a salutation that we do at the beginning and ending of our dance practice, the beginning and ending of our dance performances, and really anytime you want to get up and do your dance practice. The version I will be teaching you today was passed on to me by my mother, the late Reshmi Chetram, who learned it from her Guruji, Sri Pratap Pawar, who learned it from his Guruji, Sri Pandit Birju Maharaj, who also happens to be my Guruji. So this comes to you with a lot of gratitude and a lot of love. First off, I will be teaching you the hand movements, and then I will do the feet, and then we'll put them all together. To get started, we're going to roll our shoulders back, bring our elbows up, and place our hands in the center. Always remember, there is an invisible line down the center of your body, and our hands aren't going to cross it. Our right hand is over here, our left hand is over here, and our feet are in a V. Okay? Starting with just the hands, we open up with salutation to our audience first. Going out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's do that again. Salutation to the audience. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we give salutation to God or the higher power above, coming back to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we bring it down to give thanks to Mother Earth. 1, 2, 3, 4. We take our blessing, we stand up, and then we take salutations and blessing from our teacher. All right, so let's walk those hands once again. Starting from the center, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 9, 10, 11, 12, up, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's it. Great. Now I'm going to show you the steps. So hands clasped together. We're starting with our right foot going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when we get here, we're taking a step back for 5, 5, then we're going down to the ground. 6, 7, 8, knee down, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Very good. So now we're going to put the hands and the feet together. Okay, now we're going to put our hands and feet together. Remember, shoulders back, feet apart in a V, hands side by side, elbows up. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Let's try that one more time. So when we're teaching the Namashkar to children, we give them the guidelines of audience, God, Mother Earth, and our teacher. As we grow, the Namashkar becomes something that is so very near and dear to our practice that it evolves. The meaning evolves with you and your growth in your dance. So I always tell my students that use it as a means to clear your space, to clear your mind, to set the space for your dance practice, and to really be present in your movement. And so you might be coming from work or school or with the kids, and life gets busy. We have been gifted this beautiful, beautiful ritual of the Namashkar to come to our practice with our full head, full heart, full mind, just for ourselves. And so I hope that when you do this, you can implement some of those elements to help you stay connected to your love for dance. So before we go, let's do this together one last time. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, done. Thank you so much, dancers. I hope you enjoyed that class, learning the Namashkar. As always, be sure to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next class.